Hello, my lovelies. I am Sabah. Welcome back to my channel Sabah Speaks. Once again, I am here with another unboxing video. A few days back, I bought some book from Amazon's Great Indian Festival sale, and the first book here is Gone Girl by Gillian Flynn. It's a contemporary thriller novel. Gone Girl centers its story on Nick's and Amy's strained relationship or strained marriage. Okay, let me read a blurb for you guys. Who are you? What have we done to each other? These are the questions Nick Dunn finds himself asking on the morning of his 5th wedding anniversary when his wife Amy suddenly disappears. The police suspect Nick. Amy's friends reveal that she was afraid of him, that she kept secrets from him. He swears it isn't true. A police examination of his computer shows strange searches. He says they weren't made by him. And then there are the persistent calls on his mobile phone. So what did happen to Nick's beautiful wife? Okay, that's it. I have bought many books, but I have decided to start with this book, and once I finish reading it, I will definitely make a review video about this book. Okay, this book was for 399 rupees and I got it for 265 rupees. So the next book here is The Girl in Room 105 by Chetan Bhagat. This book is not a love story but an unloved story. There are a thriller element in the book. I think this book is going to be a good read. Okay, so next move to the next package. So the first book here is 1984 by George Orwell. Wow. So the cost of this book is 195 and I bought this book for 129 rupees. One of my friends has been asking me to read this book and I don't know what's there in it, but I have the slightest idea. She had also sent me a PDF, but I thought to own a hard copy. So yeah. The next book is As a Man Thinketh by James Allen. Okay, this is a very small book which has only 50 pages. Yeah. This book says we are what our thoughts have made us because thoughts leads us to action. The other truth is that we are architect of our own future. So this is an inspirational book and I got this book for 47 rupees. I think, okay, the price is 75 rupees. So the last book is 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. And see, I got these 2 bookmarks. And there is a quote here. It says, "A book is a gift you can open again and again," which is true. Okay, so I was speaking about this book, 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. This is a life-changing book. I have realized that it is the high time that I need to adopt to an early rising habit. To be honest, I am not a morning person but a night owl. And you guys comment below and tell me if you are a morning person or a night owl. Okay. This book is really thick, and the cost of the book is 350. I got this for 175 rupees. In my last video I had mentioned that one of my Flipkart's book is yet to arrive, so this is that book, The Power of Your Subconscious Mind by Dr. Joseph Murphy. And I got this book for rupees 89 only, which I feel is a steal deal because I did not get any book for this cheap. I was a bit worried, thinking if I get pirated copy, but thankfully it's not a pirated one. Yeah, this book is really nice, amazing. Yeah. Okay, so that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you. Bye bye.